Hi, and welcome to another episode of Bite Size Branding. I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little salty today. So, I recently met someone who ran an agency, and they said that they did brand strategy and brand development. So, I asked them to tell me more about it. And they said that they only have that on their business card and website because it looks good. So I said, you don't actually do brand strategy or brand development. They said, no. We do logo design, we do some marketing, we update websites. This is a real problem within high-level professional brand strategy services. A lot of people say that they do it, but they don't actually know what it is, or they mistake brand strategy and brand development for graphic design. So today I want to talk a little bit about what to look for to make sure that you're hiring the right brand strategists and branding agencies. The first green flag you want to look for when you're hiring a branding agency is if they have specific work that explains what they did. If they can share the actual actions and outcomes of what their brand strategy process is, the formulas and the methodology behind their brand strategy. Asking this one simple question of what's your brand strategy process look like is going to immediately separate the ones who actually do it from the ones who just say they do it. The second thing that you want to ask for a green flag when you're hiring is any case studies or client stories that speak to the actual brand strategy that was conducted for an organization. This is really important because it supports what they told you when they said that they do X, Y, and Z when it comes to brand strategy. Being able to see it in a real world scenario will help you understand if they're the right brand strategy agency for your company. Number 3, you want to ask for testimonials. So this one seems silly, but I hate to say it, you can't trust organizations unless you know the person. You can't trust that what they say they do, they actually do. So having the social proof, and in this case, testimonials or reviews that specifically speak to the brand strategy work that that the agency has done for them. So not this agency designed my logo and it's great, but specific examples of the strategy and methodology they used to conduct research and help your organization. The fourth thing you want to do, and this is my personal favorite, is ask the agency what their favorite brands are and the strategies behind their brands. This one will be so important in understanding the approach that the agency has. By asking them who their favorites are, that sheds so much more insight into what it would be like to work with them and what their inspirations are than just asking them what kind of work they do and what types of industries they work in alone. So if you're thinking about hiring a brand strategy or brand development company to help grow and improve your business in 2025, remember to ask about work they've done, their process behind it, case studies and client stories that have real life examples. You want social proof, so testimonials. And lastly, ask them who their favorite brands are and why, and the strategy behind what makes them so successful. That's all for today. Be safe. Take it easy.